Tip: use natural herbs like Echinacea, thyme, and hyssop for relief from sore throats, coughs, and colds.
Why? Herbal remedies can provide gentle, effective relief from common respiratory symptoms without the side effects often associated with over-the-counter medications. Echinacea is well known for its immune-boosting properties, making it a popular choice for cold and flu relief. Thyme and hyssop have natural expectorant and antispasmodic qualities, helping to ease bronchial spasms and congestion, so you can breathe easier and get a good night's rest. These herbs offer natural support for quicker recovery and lasting relief.